Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Private DNS requires Android 9 or later and an active network. Once confirmed, open Settings and go straight to Network and Internet. Make sure you have the DNS hostname ready, either your resolver's FQDN or a known preset such as DNS. Google. You don't need to change Wi-Fi details yet. Just ensure connectivity and that any VPN is off. Now tap Private DNS to start configuration and proceed to the detailed selection step. Once in the Private DNS panel, choose the option labeled Private DNS Provider Hostname. You will type the resolver's fully qualified domain name, for example DNS. Google, rather than an IP address, this is required by the protocol. After entering the hostname, tap Save and allow the system a few seconds to validate the TLS connection. If the device accepts the hostname, DNS queries are routed securely. Make sure to test in a browser or use a DNS leak test app to confirm the resolver is active. To finish, validate that DNS is working by loading a website or running a network diagnostic. Look for reduced name resolution leaks. If validation fails, first toggle airplane mode or reboot the phone to clear transient network issues. Make sure VPNs or proxy apps are off, because they often block DNS over TLS. If problems persist, change the hostname to a different trusted resolver and retry. One key tip: a single failed hostname entry prevents fallback, so double-check spelling and try an alternate provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.